What's up, guys? Today, telling you I have a slime shop. Not putty, slime. This is going to be one of the slimes that I want to put on my slime shop. I'm going to tell the name after you hear this. This is real slime that I made. Look, you know this slime that I made? Yeah. And I made a couple more slimes. I'm going to just show you the slimes I did videos of. I did that. I did jar of boogers. I did chocolate. And I'm showing this slime, which I'm going to do a full video on in next video. So yeah, I have a slime shop, and I'm going to tell you the name. If you want to know more about it, go to the description below. I have a whole Instagram of my slime shop, and this is what it's called: capital M, capital I, capital X, capital E, capital D, BY 46. Mixed by 46. That's my Instagram account, and that's also what I'm gonna call my slime shop. So yeah, go check out my original Instagram account, YouTuber.46, and also go check out Top 3. That's not an Instagram account, but like, you should make an Instagram account. Showing like updates about Top 3. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.